Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going, oh my gosh, gotta turn off my torch. Today we are going to be playing Pet Simulator with my friend.
And me.
With my friend Hudson.
And my brother.
And my brother Aiden.
Whoa!
Okay, so let's roll into it.
Oh.
So, first of all, I glitched my coins, my earth coins, so if you want to see that video, just go right up here and click on it. So, let's go to space. Let's go to Dominus Shrine. Whoa, this dude's pretty good.
Oh,
Alex Gamer. Okay. He's the... Why does he have to be the... He has to be... Okay. Why has he only got 3 pets out, even?
You're supposed to have 4.
So, if you guys don't know, I got all Dominuses now. Like, all, literally. All Dominuses. And if you haven't watched that other video, click right up here. I went hunting for the Rainbow Dominus new. Okay, it loaded in. Let's see. Oh man. Okay, we gotta take our pets off that. I don't think our video will be long enough to get that whole thing. Okay, let's go over here. Let's get this chest.
Can you get this?
You asking Hudson?
Yeah, can you get it this fast, Hudson?
Kind of, I think.
No, you can't. You don't even have better Dominuses than me.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you didn't see that video, I got 1 billion moon coins. And you can click right down here. So, let's go. I'm sorry. I'm being lazy.
Let's get some moon coins.
So, let's go and buy some eggs.
No!
But first, we got to delete
Nothing.
some of the Dominus pumpkins.
Nothing.
Because these things suck.
No, I hate Dominus pumpkins.
Okay.
I have
wait, I forgot.
so much
I can
of
just
them.
do this.
I have 5,000. I mean, 6 of them. 13 of them.
Okay, I gotta delete these. It's taking so long, guys. Here, and here. Right here. Okay, let's confirm this. And now we only have 22 pets. Wow, that's a way to get rid of pets. Okay, let's start opening up these things. Okay, first off, Dominus new. Pretty good. And second, Dominus new. Okay. Third, Dominus chair. Jesus. And 4, Dominus pumpkin. Okay.
It's our chance to get
And
the best pet in the game.
Dominus cherry. And Dominus pumpkin. Okay, guys. So, if I haven't reminded you already, click that like button, subscribe if you like this video, even though it's not over. Okay. Hats. Why am I pressing hats? What should I do now, Hudson?
I don't know.
Okay. I will mind a little block. Wow. I wish that was more time, but okay. I will mind in a little block. Wow. Okay. guys. I mean, I can't stop looking over at these coins because they're so broken. Oh my goodness.
Me too.
Me too. So much me toos. So much me toos.
Me toos. Me toos. Me toos.
Guys, I've been hunting for this for so long now. It's so hard to get.
And we can't even buy with our Robux because he's spending them up.
Not. I
I
still
have 5 million Robux.
No, you don't.
Yes,
No, he doesn't, guys. Don't believe him. I have a little, but not that.
Oh, little?
Yes. Now get out of my face. He was in my face. I know. And you're interrupting it. Okay. Yeah. Let's end it off with a little trading. So who's good? I gotta check right up here.
No one's good.
Why'd you have to say that?
No
Oh,
one
you're
has to
right.
know.
Nobody is good. Oh, no. Okay. I guess we're just gonna have to end it off right here, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, and bye.